Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Changing your Range Rover battery can be a straightforward task if you follow the correct steps. First, safety is paramount, so please wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. You'll need a few tools, including a wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your brand new battery. Let's get started safely and efficiently. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your Range Rover's battery. It's typically under the hood or sometimes in the trunk. Using your wrench, always disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, carefully remove any clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This prepares it for removal. With the old battery disconnected, it's time to remove it. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 to 60 pounds, so lift with care. Before installing the new one, take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This ensures a good connection. Now, carefully lower your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly. This step is vital for stability. Finally, let's connect your new battery. This time, you'll connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure both connections are snug and secure, but avoid over-tightening them, as this can cause damage. Once everything is connected, start your Range Rover's engine. Listen for a smooth start and check your dashboard for any warning lights. If all looks good, you've successfully changed your battery. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.